Hi, Leslie. What are you doing in your room? Hi. What's that? What are you watching? What's that, Leslie? Me? What is that? Leslie? What is that? What's the movie? What? What's the movie? What? Oh. What's that, Leslie? What's this one, Leslie? All red. What is this? It's the mouth. What? What happened? Okay, let's press escape. Oh no. It's Mama and Papa.
It's a maple syrup avalanche.
That's it. Leslie me! Leslie me! So serious, Leslie.
That was close.
Leslie me is so serious watching her
This is
movie.
a maple syrup disaster. How are we going to get out
Ah,
of this?
you're alone in your room.
Giving me a job.
Bye, Leslie. Leslie! What? What is that?
Syrup warming.
What's that? Whoa! Bye-bye na, Leslie.
Jump in, Mama. I will roast the bus. But I haven't
Bye!
made the candies yet. We can help with that. Okay.
See you soon.
My mold is too
Lights
small for all
off!
this syrup.
Lights
Hey, let's make
off!
a really, really
What?
big mold. And
No.
then lumber. Great idea, Bill.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Giant maple
She's afraid.
shaped mold.
She's afraid. No! She's almost cried. Cry. Here you go! Lights on already! Yay! Huh? You're crying? Don't cry. Lights on already.
Candies are amazing.
I didn't think we were going to have
Bye.
anything to the festival. We do, thanks to the super wings. I think our work here is
Lights
done.
on.
Time to fly.
Lights on already. He's so happy the light is on. Super wing! Bye everyone! Please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Bye!